If you need to remove a payment method from your AliExpress account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. This process will help you manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view all your saved payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. In the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of all the payment options you have added. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and click on it to access further options. Step 5. Remove the payment method. After selecting the payment method, look for an option to delete or remove it. Confirm the action if prompted, and the payment method will be successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on AliExpress. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.